What's up guys, Tim YouTuber here, and today I'm gonna be killing the King Slime. Okay, yep, now the King Slime has awoken. So I'm gonna kill the King Slime boy. Gonna teleport to me and, okay. Okay, he's nearly dead. God damn it. Those little slimes are so bloody annoying. Okay, I really have to have a healing potion. Okay, got him. What did I get from that? I got a ninja shirt. I got a ninja mask the last time I killed him. I already got that. Okay, yeah. So, oh, there's this merchant guy. I want to buy all the stuff that I haven't bought yet. Okay. Buy that, and, no, I don't want to buy that. I just want to double check that I have it. Yep, I don't have it. I bought that. So yep, I bought everything that I don't have. And yeah. Okay, so bye guys, hope you liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and peace out.